It's a rich one, and then for any math and science tutorial, please you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or smash on the notification bell icon so anytime I post any video, you'll be notified. Thank you, and I love you. Right. Oh, this is a rich one once again, and then this tutorial, I just want to give you a very simple trick that you can use to multiply all numbers from 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, up to even 100 by 100, and then without going through a lot of challenges. It's just a simple trick that I just want to give to you. This is I think this is the best trick ever, that if you just go by this trick, you will know the multiplication table just by heart. Okay, so let's start by how can we multiply 9 by 9, multiplying 9 by 9. So all that you need to do is simple. To multiply, to get a multiplication table for 9 by 1, 9 by 9, all that you do that, start with 0. So you write 0 here, write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, given everything that you need to know here, everything. 4 is there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, and then 10 here. Okay, so let's start with how can we find the multiplication table for 9 by 1. Very simple. Okay, so now you start from 0 to 10. All that you need to do, now let me clean the 10. So 0 to 9. Okay, so from here to the right hand side, also start from 9 to 0. So let's start from 9 here, where we wrote the 0. Let's write 9 just close to the 0, and write 8 here close to the 1, and write 7 here. We start from 9, and we are reducing the numbers down to 0. Okay, so this can become 6, this become 5, become 4, this become 3, this become 2, this become 1, and this becomes 0. Okay, so let's look at something here. Now, to get your multiplication table for 9 by 9, now write the numbers in order starting from left to right. So 0 and 9, you can write it 0, 9, or just 9. So 9, 1 will give us 9. Here 1 and 8, write them from left to right. So 9 and 8 is 18, right from left to right. 2 and then 7, you're writing it, so you're getting 27 from left to right. And then 3 and then 6 from left to right, you have 36. Okay, here 4 and 5 from left to right, we get 45. So it means that we come here from here 4 and then 5, we get 54. So with the multiplication table, we say 9, 1, 9, 9, 2, 18, 9, 3, 27, and then 9, 4, 36, 9, 5, 45, and then 9, 6, 54. So 9, 7 will give you here, what I given? 63. And then 9, 8 will give us here 7 and 2, 72. Okay, and then 9, 1, 9, 9, 81. We get to 81 here, and 9, 10, 90. I think this is very easy, very simple. Okay, let's move on to 12 by 12. Let's see how we can get it. You want to find the multiplication table for 12. So let's do something here. The 12 times, all right, table. Very easy here. How do we do? If you want to find a multiplication table for 12 by 12, or 12 by 1, 12 by 2, 12 by 3, up to 12 by 10. What do we do? Let's write a 12 here, okay? And then from this side, we're going to get two numbers. So from this side, we are picking 1, and you are writing all the numbers from 1, increasing them up to number 10. So we start from 1 and we start increasing it from 1 to 10. So 1, we get to 2, we get to 3, we get to 4, 5, 6. So keep on, and then have 7 here, 8 here, 9, and then we have 10 like this. Okay, so let's come back here, and all that we need to do here very serious. Okay, make sure the numbers that you write, they are in the same line with the numbers that you written first. So let me take red ink so that I can do that one so that we can see. All right, so here we're also taking the multiplication table for 2. So 2, 1 will give us 2. Write it just in line with the 1. And then 2 times 2 give us 4. Write it here very beautifully. 2 times 3 give us 6. Write it here just in line with it. And then 2 times 4 will give us 8. Write it here. Here is very serious. 2 times 5 give us 10. So with a 10, try to write in such a way that we will separate it one day. So 1 and then 10. So write it and give it a space. 2 times 6 will give us 12. So write it here, 12. Give it a space. And then 2 times 7 will give us 14. Write it with a good space. And then 2 times 8 will give us 16. Alright, will give us 16 here. So write to 16, 1 and 6 with a good space. 2 times 9 is 18 with a very nice space. And then 2 times 10 is 20, right, with a very nice space. Okay, so what are we to do next? All that we need to do here is very simple to get your answers. Your multiplication table 12, the multiplication tables of 12. Okay, so 12 1 will give us 12. You see it? All right, just write it from left to right. 12 times 2 will give us 24. So here we have it here, 2 here and then 4 here. Write them together, 24. 12 times 3. All right, you're giving us 36. So write them in that order, 3 and then 6. This will give us 48. Write to 48 here. I think it's very cool. All right, so what are we going to do here? Look at this place. Now we have 5, we have 10, we have 6, we have 12. Are we going to write 5, 10, 6, 12, 7, 14, 8, 6, 8? No. Stop there. Okay. No. So what are we going to do here? What we can do is that draw a line through this. Okay. That's why I said that let there be a space. Okay. Draw a line. Draw a very cool line. This is a very cool line. Okay. And what I need to do is that in the box here, right? Plus, just add the numbers. Add them, all right? Add all the numbers here. So here, after adding everything, you just add the number which is to the right. You just add it to the result that we have here. So 5 plus 6 will give me what? 5 plus 1 is 6. So write a 6 here, and you add this 0 to it, making 60. All right? 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So 7, you write a 7 here, you add this 2, making 72. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so write to 8 here, level 4, you add a 4 here, making 84. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So you come and write your 9 here. Okay, plus 6, 96. Okay, let's move on. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you come and write to 10 here. You add the 8. So 108. And the last one, 10 plus 2 is 12. So you write your 12 here, add a 0, making 120. This is very easy. This is very easy, okay? So let's move on to the next one, which is, I think, a little bit, let's take 19. times table, the times table for 19. Okay, 19 times table. Okay, 19 times table. Okay, so let's tackle the 19 times table and see how best we can do this one. The 19 times table, I have two tricks that I can use, but let me give you the easiest one that you can use. Okay, so 19 times table. Okay, very easy here. The two tricks you can use all and get the same results. Okay, let me take this one. So with that 19 times table, all that you need to do here, I think is very easy. And then you need to write your odd numbers. I think you know odd numbers, all right? Odd numbers starting from the first odd number to 19. So you know 19 is an odd number, number 2. So we start writing our odd numbers starting from the first odd number, and the first odd number is 1. You know this one, right? So let's write. So 1, 3, 2 is not odd number, so I'm not writing 2. So 1, 3, and then 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, 11 is an odd number, so 11. 13 is an odd number. 15 is an odd number. Okay, 17 is an odd number. Okay, so let's go on. Oh, why are you pairing here? Okay, 17 is an odd number, and then 19 like this. Okay, so how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay, so now all that we need to do is simple. At the right hand side, start your numbers start from 9, and then start reducing them downwards. Okay, so here I have 9, reduce 9, we are reducing downwards. So 9, we have 8 here, we have 7 here. Okay, we have 6 here, we have 5 here, we have 4 here, we have 3 here, we have 2 here, we have 1, and then 0. You know this one. So after you knowing this one, we say that, oh, why didn't you come earlier and then introduce this trick to us? Okay, so if you want to know a lot of tricks in mathematics like this one, that you can just do some multiplication within 1 second, 2 seconds, just do some division without even thinking about it, please, all that you need to do is subscribe to this channel. You just share this tutorial to the other people, so that, don't be selfish, please, you share it so that people also benefit from what we're benefiting from. Okay, so what do we do now? Simple. Now we have this. All right, so let me use my red ink here. Okay, let me use my red ink here so they can see it very well. All right, so here 9 times 9 is what? 19 times 1 is what? It's 19. Okay, so just write it from left to right. So you have 19 here. 19 times 2 will give me 38. It's not easy. Come here. 19 times 3. What am I getting? I'm getting 57. Is that correct? Yes, correct. So you're having 57 here. Okay. And then you come here. 19 times 4. Look at it. I'm getting 76. So have 76 here. And then 95 here. I think it's very easy. Okay, and then 5 is there. And then we move on to this. 11 is here and 4 here. Move them together and we have 1, 1, 4. Okay. 1, 3 here, 13 here. And then we have 3 here. I said write them from left to right. So we are having this one to be 1, 3, 3. And then let's move on to this. 1, 15, and then 2. Move them together. 1, 5, and then 2. And then here, I will get 17 and 1. Writing them from left to right, I get 1, 7, 1. And then the last one is 1, 9, 0. Hooray! I think this is very easy. Okay, so we have a lot of tricks that we can use to do all the multiplication from 13, multiplication table of 13, from 14, 15, 16, 20, up to 100, with the same trick. Okay, with the same trick, we can apply this trick, and then you can do this calculation within some shortest possible time. Okay, this is Richmond. Subscribe to my channel, and then every week I'll be posting wonderful videos like this which can change your life, and then you will like mathematics and science as well. God bless you, and stay tuned. So the next tutorial. All right, I'm gone. I'm out now.